Today's video, guys, I want to talk about this whitening treatment that I have been using. As you can see, I feel like you can see like major results with my teeth. Before we get into this video, subscribe for the ride, honey. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I will be uploading next, and let's get into this video already. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am excited to present to you the Lab Pro White. Lab is the creation of Oxford University scientists and sisters Lauren, Charlotte and Sophie. Lab is a unique, at-home, reusable teeth whitening system that delivers clinically proven results. It combines 16 professional LED lights with Lab Accelerator Spray and Lab Whitening Gel to deliver whiter teeth after just 16 minutes with no peroxide and no sensitivity. It's one easy-to-use system that is gentle on teeth and safe to use, delivering results up to 11 shades whiter after one cycle of 3 16-minute treatments in 24 hours. Let's get into this video. Lab Life and Beauty Pro White Teeth Whitening. They've created a whole range of products using clinically proven technology. Pro White Teeth Whitening actually promises to whiten your teeth up to 10 shades whiter, and you are supposed to see the difference after one use. It is a non-peroxide whitening gel and LED lights which whiten your teeth. They do give you a mouthpiece that actually lights up with the blue LED lights, and they are specifically proven in the activation process. I actually did the whole treatment. The results are going to depend upon like how heavy you, like the staining of your teeth. For me, I had problem areas as opposed to like actual heavy staining. I am a tea drinker and I'm a red wine drinker, so those are like my guilty pleasures that I'm always drinking. So for me, it's sort of just like surface kind of stains, just like the, you know, just like in between my two teeth here, just low at the bottom, I guess where you hold the cup to drink the coffee, is where I get the most kind of like, I say the most kind of staining. You guys will be like, what staining are you talking about? But that's where I felt like I got the most of my staining. Your first treatment, you would make sure that you line it against, you know, where the LEDs are, right? And then you would take the activating gel and you would spray that on your teeth. You won't close your mouth, and then you pop it in and then you press this. This little thing here is actually preset to 16 minutes. So when you've got it on, you don't have to be thinking, all right, let me time it. Let me see what time is it now. Let me make sure that I stop it at the whatever time. No, this is actually preset as long as you charge it, which it's got a plug and everything else. I would have shown you in the box somewhere here, but once you click this, it will give you the 16 minutes that you need. And then they also give you like a little top-up pen that you can use to obviously go over your teeth in between your treatments. You can see that I actually put the strap on mine, so literally when I put it in my mouth, I put this around my neck. You can go around the house and do what you're doing and let the thing just, it will tell you when it's done. And then obviously you get the plug with the little adapter. You know, I've been on this little teeth whitening journey and I've tried a lot of products. If you saw my, I think it was over the Christmas vlog, one of my vlogs around the Christmas time, I bought a whole load of whitening. I say a whole load, but I bought like 2 different products for teeth whitening, which I tried. The strips actually, I actually found to be quite effective. This is definitely better than the strips. I can tell you from now, like I didn't know how, because all of the whitening systems or products that I've known of all have hydrogen peroxide, especially the ones that you would use with an LED light. So in my mind, I couldn't even imagine, like, how is this going to be effective if it doesn't have hydrogen peroxide in it? And I'm not going to lie to you, like, I'm not precious like that. I was ready to use hydrogen peroxide to bleach my teeth. Okay, now, if you're somebody who has sensitive teeth or gums, it does actually promise that you won't experience any irritation or any sensitivity, and it's actually gentle on the gums, which is a plus. I didn't feel anything while I was using it. It was perfectly fine. This kit obviously promises to give you professional, you know, whitening, but from home, and I can honestly say that after my first use, I'm gonna put the video here, I definitely saw a difference. And actually, when I think about it now, because at the time when I was recording it, and I'm so glad I recorded it, I think it was because of the way that I was actually holding the mouth guard in my mouth when it was whitening the teeth. It actually missed the snaggle tooth and it missed these two teeth here, which is like, obviously I wasn't holding it in my mouth properly for it to miss the two biggest teeth, but it done all of the side ones, all of the canines, all of those, and those were, you could see that they were actually whiter than the teeth that were the problem areas. And I think it was because I wasn't holding it on, but where it did catch some of those teeth, you can actually see the patches of white where it did catch those teeth a little bit. So the product does actually work. You do actually notice a difference after the first use. The second use, I noticed the next day, I don't know if it's because like the product goes in a little bit more, it settles down. I did notice that my teeth were whiter. Actually, one other thing I do want to mention, like, which is nothing to do with Lab Life and Beauty with this whitening pro kit, but if you want like a cost effective, or if you're on a budget and you want to know toothpaste wise what's helpful, just switch to the Colgate White, the one with the red box in the red tube. Highly effective. They've got one called White and there's one that's called, is it Optic as well? I don't like Optic as much as I like the white one, maybe because I used the first one first, the white first, and actually I noticed a difference straight away in the shade of my teeth. But back to the Pro White, I'm very happy with how effective this treatment is. It's the fact that it's gentle, the fact that you can use it. It's something that you can do at home, and you actually do get the professional results at home. It's a plus. Do look it up and research it for yourself. I'm definitely going to keep you updated. I don't know if you guys can notice, but my teeth be looking white right now. Okay, obviously if you wasn't really paying much attention to that before, you're going to be like, your teeth were white from before. But me, I know where the problem areas are, so I know that it worked. In any case, I made the mistake of not really holding the guard properly, and I think it's because subconsciously, because I had the guard in my mouth, I was biting down, so maybe it just kind of like disangled it. Because when I did the second treatment, which was the next day in the afternoon, I noticed that it caught the teeth. So yeah, I was really happy about that. So in any case, guys, I just wanted to come on and tell you about this Pro Whitening at home professional teeth whitening kit. If you are interested in it, I will leave the link to their website down below. You could look it up yourself, but I'm gonna leave it down below so that you can look into it yourself. This is definitely in terms of cost effective. I don't know your budget. I think that if I was really serious about whitening my teeth, I would rather get a product that is effective, even if I had to spend a little bit more money, one that I knew was effective like this one. So yeah, I think sometimes even when things are effective, you just really have to, even when things are quite expensive, you just have to look at how effective they are. You can buy refills. They do have the refill, and the refill pack comes with one extra syringe and an extra activator as well. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Any questions, leave them in the box down below. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I will be uploading another video, and don't forget to subscribe for the ride. I'll see you in another video.